and Abednego, still tied up. Ayman, still tied up. Papa komlilo, ke papa fasegi. No ba spaga, se spasegi. Batanyeke. Papa ba spaga. So much spasegi pagati. They fell into the heart of the blazing fire. Sinkena, no ba spasegi. Suddenly, Nebuchadnezzar leaped to his feet in amazement. He leaped. He leaped in his feet. Watu khona abantu ayisimo sithintsha wakubeka imililo bathi bawuphuma khona. They will leap in amazement. We find him leaping in his feet in amazement. We are Nebuchadnezzar ngoba yenzakalani lento Nkosi uenhle bekutheni yenza kuye wayengaguli lento bengithi ngiyenza uKhedrida wayengashow. He leaped in amazement in his feet in amazement. He asked wabuza ngoba asaza ubuza. The problem with us, abaskoba, somebody bazawubuza bathi umbonaka la ngoba yezakalani awubonise kahle basazawubuza bathi upheki besithi simdimothile wayajaba hey besithi simusa phansi besithi simsayinisa iwodini besithi siya but they find you. Okay. So he asked his officials. Suddenly, Nebuchadnezzar, he asked this one, didn't we tie up the men and throw them into the furnace? Azange simfase simlahlele emlilweni. Azange simenze so sithi siyambulala. Didn't